Hello, and welcome to Awesome Talk with Matt Fratt. Today we talk about Chromebook first steps. Yesterday we talked about how to hand the Chromebook to students. Today we're actually the first day of instruction. We start with a conversation about the outside of the Chromebook, and we talk about hardware and software. So the hardware of this Chromebook is Samsung. The software is made by Google, the Chrome operating system. From there, we talk about ports, and we discuss all the ports that they see on the outside of the computer. From there, we open up the Chromebook and talk about the function keys. We go left to right. We go from escape all the way down to the power button. We talk about how the caps lock is now the magnifying glass, and it's alt magnifying glass to get caps lock. We talk about tappy mode versus clicky mode. What I mean by that is on a Chromebook, there's a difference between a light tap and a hard click. It's actually the same thing. There's just two ways to click, softly or not so softly. We talk about what I call half-mast. So when we say put the computer at half-mast, they have to go like that so the teacher can do instruction. So that's it for the outside. Then we talk about the inside of the Chromebook, and I'm going to go ahead and screen share so we can actually look at what's going on. And by the way, if you wanted notes on what I just talked about, there it is. That's the outside. And now we're talking about the inside. So we're going to take it from here, and we talk about maximize and minimize, these buttons up here on the Chromebook. We talk about the magnifying glass down here, which is actually the same as the magnifying glass button. We click on it. We note all the apps we have and how to click on all apps to see all the apps, and how to drag them on to the dock, or two-finger click them or right-click them to unpin them. We go to the App Store very briefly, just very briefly, to talk about the difference between apps and extensions. The very simple explanation is that apps go on the bottom of the screen and extensions go at the top of the screen. That's about all they need to know right now about that. We talk about the icons in the bottom right corner of the screen, the Wi-Fi icon, and so forth. Then we click on it to see the main menu, and we go down all the elements of the main menu. Then we talk about settings. We right down here, we click on settings and advanced settings. I actually tell them about Australian scroll for all of our Mac users, and we use the search button to find the Australian scroll option. And almost out of time here. And then we go back to Chrome, and I show them how to bookmark a website by clicking the star sign, and we bookmark all of the important websites for our school. So there's more to it, but and then we talk about how to set up the printers and accept printing invitations, and the exit ticket is to tell me one thing that they learned today. That's it. That's the first actual lesson on the Chromebook. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.